Page 106, The Ballad of Gilligan's Isle. It's a theme song from a TV series from a long time ago. This is in the key of D minor, 1 flat. D minor is relative to F majors, but it's D minor. So all the B's are flatted. In the right hand, it has a pickup beat, so it's starting on beat 4, and common time is 4/4 time, so it's 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and watch the fingering. 1 and 2 and 3 to rest. Second line, second measure. I like this fingering. 5, 4, 3. Last measure, second line is 1, 3. Good fingering. You could do a 1, 4 if you wanted to. That's up to you. Then you're going to repeat that stuff. Now go down the third line, second ending, and go on to, and then you have similar to what we've already had. Now over on page 107, the rhythm, watch the rhythm. At the top, it's 2/5 because you're coming off a C from the note before. So 4, tie, 2, rest. 3, 4, tie, 2, rest. 3, 4, tie, 2. Got a lot of ties, it throws it off. So it's kind of syncopated in here. It's kind of nice. Third line down. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, tie, 2, rest. 4. Then rest. There, and then at the last, it's a staccato. Boom, an accent is staccato, a little extra. Left hand has to stay soft because it's all on the melodies in the right. So watch these notes. They say 4, that's good, you can do 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. So we're using 4 because we're saving 5th finger for the C. And that's about all it is for the first couple of lines. Let's go down to the third line. Second ending, it's here. C chord, D chord. And then next measure, it's a B flat chord. And then a C chord. D minor, and then reach down. Then we got broken chords. 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, it's like it was at the beginning. Over on page 107, you just got the chords. That's really about all the left hand's doing are these chords. Till at the end, the last couple measures. Staccato, use wrist staccato, accented. Then you work them out one hand at a time, fingering all, and then put the hands together and make sure you play all these rests. It's important. Don't hold a note down longer than it should be. Going on, the second ending there at the third line. 2, 3. Three, 4, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Right there. That syncopation will get you. This is the third line down on 107. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie. And the left hand comes up on 1. So you don't hold the left hand down, just the right. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. And then when the left hand plays that G, the right hand comes up. It's got a rest. Oh, isn't this fun? 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3. That's the trickiest part in the whole piece right there. Last line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Rest, rest. You get all that worked out, and the dynamics. That's the right hand. There's not a lot of going on in dynamics. You're sort of loud, and then the third line down from after the second ending. Now you're loud, and then come back down to medium loud for the last note in the third line. It's like it was at the beginning. And on page 107, you're staying medium loud pretty much through most of it. The third line down, last measure, you can crescendo back up to a loud. And that's the melody that's loud. Keep the left hand under it still. And you're finishing it loud. Now, not a lot of pedal going on. There's a little bit on page 106. It's legato. You can pedal it like they're showing. It's fine. And then on page 107, there's legato pedaling going on. That's fine. But we want to hear the rest. At the end of the second line, the last measure, you have a quarter rest in the right hand, and the left hand's already resting. We want to hear that one beat silence. So you got to lift the pedal up with after the half notes with the hands. Lift the pedal up with them before you go on. And that's it for the pedal. Not a lot going on there. You can find recordings of this, I'm sure, and depending on how much beer or wine you've had to drink, but you. So, we're going to go slow. Let's do a play with me on this so we can double check the notes and the rhythms and all. We're going to go slow, and we are going to do the first and second endings on page 106. So I'll give us 3 counts since it's in common time and with a pickup beat. So go ahead and put your hands where they go in D position, sort of. The left hand's the 4th finger. And the foot's on the pedal. 1, ready, go. all have our speed limits. Now, how fast you can play it accurately with control, so don't get carried away. But this is one of those fun pieces you can do. It's just a lot of fun. There.